So these are all the shoes that I'm bringing. I have 3 over here. This is our faces today. Okay, so it is many hours later. It's about 11 o'clock at night. That stuff back there is pretty much all the things that I want to sell on Poshmark and Depop. So I'm gonna try to go ahead and take pictures in it and everything, then post it on there. I meant to do this early on in the week, just in case people bought it. I was able to ship it out while I'm still here, but hopefully somebody like back at home can ship it for me as long as I like keep in contact with them. So that's probably gonna take like an hour or so, depending on if I actually have a picture in it. Then I won't do it. It's super late. I could have stayed asleep, but you know, whatever. Oh, the lighting's better this way. But what I usually do is just shoot it like right here against my shoes, because I don't really have a, oh shoot, I'm falling. I don't really have a space for me to shoot like on a blank wall. I do, but I don't have anywhere to set my phone up because I don't have a tripod for it. So since I have my dresser right here, so I literally just balance my phone like against one of these jewelry boxes that I have and leave it here. And then I will, okay. And then I'll just put it on like a self timer for like 10 seconds to give me time to actually get ready for it. Just shot everything in this pile. Most of this stuff in here I already either have up on my Poshmark or Depop, or their pants, and I kind of need help with pants, so I think I'm gonna just wait on tomorrow for the bottoms to take them with Nelle. But this stuff right here I'm just gonna shoot like on the background of my bathroom, like a flat lay, since they're like just purses and stuff. Okay, so I finished with all of that. So now I'm probably about to spend like an hour just like posting it, putting the caption and pricing it and all of that. So that usually takes about an hour just to post like on all like the selling platforms. After that, I think I'm gonna call it a night. Start early in the morning, getting the boxes out of my car and packing those, and then also getting the suitcases I got from a friend and start packing those as well. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey, what's up everybody? So today is Saturday and this is my, well, second to last full day here in Dallas, and I'm here with, wow, I sprayed it the wrong way. Hi, Nelle. So we are getting ready to go to an event. Jalissa Vaughn on Instagram, she has like a 100K celebration type thing. So start at 12. We're probably gonna get there a little after 1 because we're never on time for anything. But this is our faces today. Nelle has a dark brown lip, and then I just have a nude glossy lip. Show us your outfit. Okay, go. Nelle!
I don't know.
Hat.
Gigi, Pip, naked, Zara.
This is the full look. Sorry it's in the bathroom, but whatever. And then this top is from Zara. First time wearing it. Zara, this is from H&M. And then these are from Zara. I got this the spring summer sale that they had. These shoes are from Topshop, but I got them off of Nordstrom. And then I'm wearing this like blazer coat thing from the thrift store. It has like fur on the collar. That's my look. We're about to go. We have a friend that's already there. She left like an hour ago, so we're about to go meet her, and then the event ends at 3. So I don't know what we're doing after that, but I just wanted to start the vlog because we may be doing some stuff today. So boba, that place I sent you. Boba, we might be getting that. Yes. Morning everybody. So I'm trying to talk low because it is currently 7 in the morning and everybody is still asleep, but I just dropped my friend Diamond off at the airport because she had a flight at 8 a.m. I just came back to the apartment and I'm about to heavily start packing because I didn't do anything yesterday just because we were out all day, and when I woke up friend Diamond came here because we went to that event. I didn't really have time to pack, and then we had people come over by the time that we got back to the apartment, and then I just passed out. Today's about to be hectic. I have my going away brunch thing at 2, and then I'm also meeting another girl at 12 for coffee because she couldn't make it to the brunch. So I don't really have time to be BSing right now. I need to seriously pack the rest of my stuff so I can already have it ready to go later to put it in the car, because I don't know how long we're gonna be out today. Hopefully it's not all day, but just in case. So I'm not doing it tonight because I'm trying to leave early on Monday to drive to Mobile. I'm not gonna tackle my closet right now, but I think I'll just get everything that's in the room because there are some clothes that I need to pack in my friend's suitcase that she brought over yesterday. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that so I can have the clothes out the way, figure out what I'm wearing today. Then I'm gonna tackle the bathroom because there's a lot of stuff that I'm not bringing, but I just want to go ahead and pack it, and then I'll tackle my closet. That's the plan for right now. Hopefully I'm done by like 10-11. We'll see. Now I need to figure out what shoes I'm bringing in my carry-on, so I'm about to go through these right now, see if I can pick out as many as can fit in there. I'm going for like 5 or 6, but if more can fit, that would be great. And then I do have the boxes from Home Depot that I'm just gonna put the boxes in, but I think I decided to go ahead and do the clear cases when I actually get settled into my apartment, because I mean I like boxes, but I think having the clear cases would be more clean looking. So I might just do that, but I'll keep the boxes for now just in case I decide not to do that. But yeah, let me go ahead and pick these shoes. So these are all the shoes that I'm bringing. I have 3 over here and then 3 over here. So yeah, I'm bringing these 6. I feel like this is very versatile enough for me to wear with the clothes that I'm bringing. And then I'm about to go ahead and just put these probably back against the wall and put them in the boxes when everybody wakes up, and then we can go from there. But I'm glad I got this out the way. So I finally tackled that pile that was against the wall, put everything that I want to bring or that could fit in the carry-on. So that's packed. Not gonna be able to fit anything else. This is some stuff that I'm trying to figure out what to do with, but that's now fully packed with clothes. I'm about to go ahead and fill this one up with clothes. I should be done with clothes, maybe. We'll see. These are all of the bags that I have packed right now. This is the stuff that I'm gonna pack in my car and bring it to Mobile and come back for it later. I might just try to condense these 2 bags and put it in a box depending on how much space I have. But all of these are filled with clothes. I think that has purses, that's a purse, and there's purses in there. And then there's my carry-on. That's my big suitcase. This is stuff that I'm trying to figure out where to put to bring. This is what I'm wearing on the airplane, plus a jacket. Pulled all my underwear right there. And then these are the socks that I'm wearing. It's getting somewhere. That's stuff that I need to still take pictures of for Poshmark and Depop. So I just left it out so I can try and do it. If not, then I'll try to just shoot it with Kiki when I get to Mobile. My closet is pretty much cleared out. This is the dress that I'm gonna wear for brunch today. It's easy, 1 piece that I have to throw on, and that's it. So I'm gonna wear that. Haven't worn it before. I got it from Nordstrom when they had their, I think, anniversary sale. But all my pants are pretty much gone. Tops are gone. Most of my like long sleeve tops and dresses are already packed up. I just have my jackets left, so this is probably all going to go in a box, to be honest. And then these shoes, figure out how to pack them. That's why I wanted to take the clothes that I have out of those duffel bags and probably put these shoes in there, because I'm bringing this shoe rack. This is Poshmark and Depop stuff. These are the stuff I'm possibly bringing. Honestly, I don't think I'm going to be able to, but this is just jackets and stuff that I need to pack up. I need to go through these bags. I think this is Poshmark and Depop stuff too. I need to go through that, and then I need to go through that. But yeah, so I haven't really started on my bathroom yet. I think I want to take a break because right now I'm getting kind of hungry. Probably start again in like an hour and see how much I can get done. But I think the main stuff is done right now. I still have to pack my skincare and like the bathroom stuff that I'm bringing, but honestly, it's not that much. So I need to go ahead and probably make space to pack that stuff up too.